once again, friends. Welcome to another Red Seal multiple choice refrigeration HVAC Red Seal practice questions. So this is multiple choice set number 37. Question 1. Blank diodes are also called rectifiers. A. LR, B. PN, C. RC, or D, none of the above. Correct answer is B, PN. Number 2. The reluctance of the iron core to change its polarity when it changes in current direction and resultant magnetic fields occur is called A. Inertia loss, B. Hysteresis loss, C. Pressure loss, D. Head loss. Correct answer is B. Hysteresis loss. Number 3. Maximum nitrogen oxide indoor level is A. 0.25 parts per million, B. 0.5 ppm, C. 0.6 ppm, D. 0.75 ppm. Correct answer is A. 0.25 ppm. Number 4. Blank is the rate of heat flow in BTU flowing through a non-homogeneous material of a given thickness in 1 hour through a surface area of 1 square feet and temperature difference on each side is 1 Fahrenheit. A. Specific heat, B. Conductance, C. Reactance, or D. Resistivity. Correct answer is B. Conductance. Number 5. The volume of gas going to the compressor increases when evaporation temperature A. rises, B. falls, C. stays the same, or D. is 0. Correct answer is B. falls. Number 6. Air-to-air heat pump loses capacity as the outside temperature goes A. 0, B. unchanged, C. down, D. up. Correct answer is C. down. Number 7. Refrigerant gas is blank than air. A. same weight, B. lighter, C. heavier, D. none of the above. Correct answer is C. heavier. Number 8. Semiconductors in their pure state do not conduct electricity well. Is the statement A. false or B. true? Correct answer is B. true. Number 9. Split phase motor has 2 windings, the start and run windings connected in blank. A. parallel, B. not connected, C. series, or D. star. Correct answer is A. parallel. Number 10. Blank is used to measure fluid flow velocity. It measures 2 pressures, the static and the total impact pressure. A. pressure tube, B. U tube, C. P2 tube, or D. Bourdon tube. Correct answer is C. P2 tube. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you learned something. Cheers, have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video.